Hi all, welcome to HexaCorp. Today's video is about SharePoint List or library customizations using PowerApps. Let's see an introduction about the same. You can easily customize the form for a SharePoint list or SharePoint document library by opening PowerApps in a browser. You don't need to write traditional code such as C# or download another app such as InfoPath. When you publish your changes, the form is embedded within the SharePoint list for use by all of its users. In PowerApps, you can also review analytics reports, easily create conditional formatting, and connect to other data sources. Now, let's get into the steps. Open in your SharePoint site, create a new list, and add columns in your list. Select the New List command set button. You can view the SharePoint new form. Click the Edit form and choose the Customize with PowerApps. Once click the Customize with PowerApps, PowerApps Studio opens in the same browser tab. If the Welcome to PowerApps Studio dialog box opens, select Skip. In this screen, you can view the PowerApp controls and properties. Now click the Edit fields, choose the Add fields, add the columns. Next, we will add the expression for created field to show only in view mode. Click the Created Data card under Preview. Select Visible Property from the drop-down and add the expression to hide the field on Edit mode. The expression is if SharePoint form1.mode is equal to form_mode.view, true, false. Based on visible properties true or false condition, you can display the fields. Also, we can customize the created by, modified by fields by giving the expression created data card 1.visible in the visible property. The three fields will be shown only when created field is visible. We are hiding the other fields based on form display mode. Now go into your SharePoint list, click the New button and fill the input values and save the form. Select the created item. You can view created, created by, modified and modified by fields in view form. These fields are visible only in view form mode. To display custom validation messages for the required fields, select in your error message label and add the expression if is blank parent.error. Title is mandatory in your text properties. Once completed, click on Save, Publish to SharePoint. Now open in your SharePoint list, click the New button. You can view the SharePoint list customization. Thank you all. Hope the session was informative. Kindly subscribe our channel for further training session and the discussions with us.